Good morning, all of you. Today, dear students, today we will study about this poem, Candy Man. Dear students, it is written by famous poet and writer Roald Dahl. Okay, so are you ready to listen this? I am going to explain it in front of you. All of you, please listen carefully. Firstly, read these 5 lines. Who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it in chocolate, and a miracle or two? The Candyman, the Candyman, the Candyman can. The Candyman can cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. In this poem, the poet is telling about the qualities of a Candyman, that how he is genius, that he covers the rising sun is sprinkled with dew in chocolate wrapper, and it is like a miracle when you open it. It can be done only by the Candyman, dear students. The next 5 lines are: who can take a rainbow, wrap it in a sigh, soak it in the sun and make a strawberry lemon pie? The Candyman, the Candyman, the Candyman can. The Candyman can cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. Dear students, in this second stanza, the poet is saying and telling about the Candyman. The Candyman makes a strawberry lemon pie with rainbow, which soak it in the sun. Only Candyman can do this because he mixes his love in it for the world taste good. Now see the third stanza. Willy Wonka makes everything he bakes satisfying and delicious. Talk about your childhood wishes. You can even eat the dishes. Dear students, the poet is telling about the Candyman. Who is this? Who is this Candyman? Dear students, this is Willy Wonka. Who is Willy Wonka? The great chocolatier. This is Willy Wonka, the great chocolatier, and he bakes everything delicious. He is saying to the children, tell me about your childhood wishes. Now I can provide those dishes which you ate in your childhood. Now I will explain the last stanza. Who can take tomorrow, dip it in a dream, separate the sorrow, and collect up all the cream? The Candyman, Willy Wonka can. The Candyman can. The Candyman can cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. And the last 2 lines are: and the world tastes good cause the Candyman thinks it should. Dear students, the poet is telling. Dear students, now poet is talking about future here. Poet is saying that Willy Wonka can make the bright future and can give the bright future to us. He can separate our futures, sorrows, and happiness by his magical powers. And dear students, the poet is saying, Willy Wonka only he makes the world taste good because he thinks that the world taste should be good. Okay? And thank you very much to listen this.